Usually it is worth, oh my god. Hey friends, how are you? Thank you so much for clicking on my video today and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the November Glossybox. I'm so excited. I haven't opened this yet, I haven't looked into it, it's literally just arrived. So let's jump into it together. Okay, so I am seeing loads of goodies in this box. I am so excited to try all this out. The first thing that I have to go to is this the Ritual of Ayurveda Soothing Hand Balm. I love rituals. If you know me, you know I absolutely adore rituals. And this is a full-size product and usually it would be £9.90. So this is amazing value and I bet it smells incredible. It smells pretty good. Let's pop it on my hand and see how it feels. I don't think you need very much. I'm so bad with looking after my hands, which you're meant to really look after your hands because they're the first things that show age. I'm not worried about that right now because, you know, I'm only 23, but oh my god, it smells so good. It smells kind of bonfire-y, but like fresh. Not that kind of smoky, but it's got that kind of autumny, fall-y scent. Is so nice. It does feel, it feels warm. Like, it smells warm. It's a warm product. It smells so good. Okay, the next product that is really catching my eye, this looks expensive. This is the Kandi Cosmetics Pre-Glow Up Mist. This is a primer and setting spray, which is really interesting. It looks really bougie. Like, I actually really love this like minimalist box. I might keep it in the box because I think that just looks really sleek and sophisticated. This is a full-size product and it is worth £20, so it's actually not too expensive even though it looks quite expensive. Oh, the lid's falling off. The lid fell off. Wow, that is a good sized product and it's like shiny. Look, I don't know if I'm meant to shake it, but it's super shiny and I think this is going to give like a really dewy look, which I'm interested. So you spray it before or after your makeup for your own refreshed and glowing skin. It's got some good ingredients in here actually as well. It's got like cucumber extract and oh, it does have alcohol in it. It does have alcohol, so if you don't like products with alcohol for your face, then just maybe steer clear of this. But I am really excited to try this. Like that, I paid £11.25 for this box and that already feels like it is worth it. I'm very happy and I'm definitely going to keep it in its little box because it looks so bougie. Let's actually try this. You know what? Let's just do it. Oh, that's so fine. Dries quite quickly as well. That's got a really fine mist. It's really nice. Can't really tell how it looks. How does it look? I don't know. How does it look? Any good? The next product I'm going to go to is this Mudmasky Leave Me On Winter Mask. This looks really interesting. I have normal to oily skin, whereas I get breakouts if I don't take care of my skin properly, and then I usually have to do a few masks. So this is PETA certified, which is really good. It's got skin loving ingredients and it's freshly made in Amsterdam. That's really cool. Instructions: wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer on your face, leave the face mask on during the day, and in cold weather use it every day. That's really interesting. I've heard of face masks you leave on overnight, but never ones that you leave on during the day. So I think this would have to be sort of a no makeup look if you wanted to go for a no makeup look. It's a pH balance, it's protecting, moisturizing, ultra repairing, nourishing, and anti-aging. So that's really cool. And yeah, I think you have to be really confident, I think, in your skin not to want to wear any makeup, or if you're not going out then you can do it on that kind of day, like a Sunday self-care kind of thing. That will be good. This is also another full-size product and usually it is worth, oh my god, this relatively small bottle of mask is worth £43.50. I'm not okay. So the first box I ever got, I got a product from Advanced Skincare, and it was a primer, and that was worth £60, and you pay £11.25 kind of max for these boxes, and this is why. This is so worth it. This is a full-size product. I'm not sure I'll ever buy it again, because even if I love it, £43.50 for something of this size isn't the best value, and I am a student on a budget. So if I really love it though, then maybe. And apparently it's really good for like winter skin and autumn skin. Like it's really good at protecting your skin in the cold weather, which is great for me because I live in northern England, so it gets very, very cold up here. I can't get it open. I want to smell it. It doesn't really, I don't think it smells as much. I don't know whether I can still smell the Rituals hand cream. I should have left that for last. I really should have. I think it smells kind of like that similar kind of smell to the Rituals one. Like it's kind of warm. It's got that warm kind of scent to it. Let's put a tiny, really smallest ever little bit on my hand. I will be using this incredibly sparingly. So a little does go a long way, which is good. Yeah, I can smell it over the top of the Rituals one. It has a slightly more clinical scent, but I guess that's because of obviously all of the properties it has, and it is meant to be more skincare rather than looking after your hands. Like your face is obviously going to be a little bit more prone to pollutants and stuff like that than your hands. So it's got a very, very similar smell though, but again I don't know if that's because I can just smell the Rituals hand cream coming through it as well. But this is, I'm intrigued to try this. I've never tried a leave-on mask, so I'm also very nervous because it's very expensive. Okay, the next product I'm going to go for is this Hask Keratin Oil Smoothing Shine Hair Oil, and this is meant to soften and renew hair. It's a decent size. This is a full-size product again, and it's a decent size. Like you can get like a good few uses out of that. I do use oils on my hair every 2 days after I wash it, although I haven't washed this one in about 4 days. It's looking super greasy at the moment. Please ignore it. I'm intrigued to try this. Like keratin oil is so good for your hair, especially my hair, because it's damaged, it's coloured, it's a little bit dry at times, so I'm intrigued to try it. This is one of 3 you could have got, and as a full-size product, the recommended retail price for this is only £2.49, so I would consider buying this again if I really like it because it's cheap. But at the moment I do have quite a few hair oils, and I still haven't actually finished the one that I got in the, I think, July Glossybox, and I haven't finished that yet, so I still have a lot to be getting on with. But yeah, I'm excited to try this, and I think it's going to be really good for my hair. Okay, so there are 2 products left in the box. The first one, I'm actually really excited we got this, and this is purely because Jamie French swears by this product. It is Cetaphil, and this is just a deluxe mini. It's not a full-size product because the full-size products are like proper big bottles, and I'm not actually sure where you can get this in the UK. Okay, here it says you can get it in Superdrug. Yeah, Jamie French swears by this. This is the cleanser, this isn't the moisturizer. That's pretty good. I do have a lot of cleansers at the moment. I'm working my way through a Soap and Gloria one. I don't need to buy any more at the moment, but I'm intrigued to try this. Again, I don't know if I can smell anything or it's just the Rituals one, because again, I feel like I can smell that kind of musky scent from the Rituals one. This, yeah, I'm intrigued to try it because Jamie French swears by it, and I've never found it anywhere else before. So the deluxe mini is worth £1.10. So I don't know if you can buy it in deluxe minis. The full-size product is £8.99, and that's pretty good because I think that they're quite big bottles. Oh, okay, so actually you don't have to use this like a traditional cleanser. You can just put it on a cotton pad. Like I have this reusable one here that I'm using for my toner at the moment, and you can use it just and put that straight on your face. So it works as a cleanser that you can use with water or just with a cotton pad, which I really like because sometimes it's a battle to get to the bathroom when you've got 3 other housemates, and so this will save me a little bit of time if I'm in a rush in the morning or something. So I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so the final product in this month's Glossybox is the Offblak Fruit Tea, and we have 2 in here, and tea is like my jam. Like I love tea. I have a box under this table right now that is literally full of teas, like a box like this big full of teas. I love tea, so I'm really excited to try these teas, and it feels like they're loose leaf, which is great. I really like loose leaf teas. They are ones that you have to like measure the temperature of the water and like measure the brewing time and stuff, but that's fine for me. I don't mind. And we have 2 of these, and these are the extra treats for this month, and they are worth 84p each, so that's not too bad. But a full-size product of each of them would be £9.98, which isn't too bad for high-end teas like fruit teas. So what I really like about these is on the back it tells you how much caffeine there is in the tea, what temperature and how long you need to brew it for. So this one has 0 caffeine level, and it says it feels like post-workout happiness. And I wouldn't know that because I don't work out. But it is forest, fruits and ginger. I love ginger, so I'm really excited. This is about like glowing. I actually might try this today. I might use it today because I'm very excited. And then the second one is feels like taking on the day with a shot of ginger. So this again is another ginger cinnamon tea, which I'm very excited, and this is about feeling fully charged. It's spicy orange and ginger. So actually no, it's going to be this one that I'm going to use today because I feel like I need it. I've had 0 motivation recently. It's definitely going to be that one. So thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed the Glossybox November unboxing. If you also have Glossybox and you wanted to talk about this month's box, please leave a comment down below. Please like this video or dislike it, I don't mind, whichever way you feel personally. So please hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed these products. I can't wait to try them all out, especially that mask. I'm really keen to try that, and the really cool setting spray. I actually haven't put my setting spray on today yet, so I might try it out today, and I'm gonna try that tea today because I'm really excited for that as well. So please let me know what you thought of this month's Glossybox. Please let me know if you've got it and if you're excited for the December Glossybox. Let me know if you've got the advent calendar as well, because I've got the advent calendar and I'm going to be unboxing that throughout December. I haven't opened it yet, but I have seen videos of it opened, but I am so excited. I also have the Profusion advent calendar, which I'm going to be unboxing throughout December, and a separate advent calendar, but that's stationary, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be including that. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Does that sneeze want to come now? No. No, it does not. There's no makeup. I might have a nap.